everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today we're going to make delicious traditional Irish soda bread. So Irish soda bread is actually one of the easiest breads to make. It only has a few simple ingredients and you can make it in about an hour. I actually never had Irish soda bread until about 5 years ago, and once I did, I felt like I've been missing out on something my entire life because it's so delicious. I can't wait to make it for you today, so let's get started. So first you're gonna add in 4 cups of flour. Then you're going to add in sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And then you're going to whisk all your dry ingredients together to make sure they're well combined. Once everything is well combined, you're going to add in your wet ingredients. So you're going to want to add in your buttermilk, 1 egg, and some softened butter. Then you're going to go ahead and mix that all together. If your butter is clumping, go ahead and use your hands to mix everything together. Once your dough has a good consistency, you're going to want to go ahead and turn it out onto your countertop and work with the dough some more to shape it. When you take your bread out of the bowl, it's going to be really crumbly, but you're going to work with it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and by the time you're done, the consistency should be kind of like Play-Doh. If your surface needs more flour to keep the dough from sticking, go ahead and add it. Once your dough is ready, you're going to want to go ahead and form it into a loaf and then put it on your cookie sheet. Once your bread is on the cookie sheet, you're going to go ahead and cut an X in the top of it. To cook, go ahead and place your bread in a preheated oven at 375 degrees. While the bread is baking, you're going to want to create a mixture of melted butter and buttermilk. You're going to want to use a 1/4 cup of each. Every 15 minutes, take your bread out of the oven and glaze it with the mixture of butter and buttermilk. You're probably going to do this 2 times while baking. Once it's done, you can go ahead and take it out of the oven. It's going to be this gorgeous golden brown color. Give it about 20 minutes to cool, and then you can go ahead and slice it and serve it with butter, jam, or eat it plain like I like to do. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you love the recipe, please remember to subscribe to our channel to keep up with everything we're doing here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse.